Good morning, dear students. Today we will see the teeth numbering systems. First, we will see where the teeth are placed. There are two jaw bones. One is called as the maxilla, the other is the mandible. The teeth which are attached to the maxilla are called as maxillary teeth, and the teeth which are attached to the mandible are called as the mandibular teeth. And you all know that humans have two sets of teeth. One set of teeth will come in childhood and it will also fall off. And in adult, there will be another set of teeth. And the set of teeth which are present in childhood is called as a primary dentition. And the teeth which are present in adulthood is called as a permanent dentition. There are 20 teeth in the primary dentition. 20 teeth are present in two jaws. 10 are present in the maxilla and 10 in the mandible. This is also called as a primary dentition or the deciduous dentition or milk teeth. This is the diagram showing all the primary dentition. Here you can see that 20 teeth are there, 10 in the maxilla and 10 in the mandible, and each teeth is named. The types of teeth present in the mouth of a human are the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The incisors and canines are called as the anterior teeth, and premolars and molars are called as the posterior teeth. The premolars are absent in deciduous dentition. So we will see how the mouth can be divided. The mouth is divided into four quadrants. The first is a maxillary right quadrant, then the maxillary left quadrant, mandibular left quadrant and mandibular right quadrant. We will see into details of primary dentition. The primary dentition can be explained using a dental formula. The dental formula is explained for one side of the mouth. This is I22, C11 and M22. That is 10 teeth are there on either side. This I is incisor, C is canine and M is molar. And in the picture you can see that the 1 and 2 in black represent the incisors. The 1 in red represent the canine and 1 and 2 in green represents the molars. And you will see that there are no premolars in primary dentition. And all these teeth represent the deciduous teeth or the milk teeth. All these will fall off from the age of 6 to 12 years and the new teeth will come in that area. And the process of falling is called as shedding and the process of new teeth coming out is called as eruption. Here you can see a skull with the teeth marked A and B. All the teeth which are marked A are the anterior teeth which are incisors and canines, and all the teeth which are marked B are posterior teeth which are premolars and molars. The first sign of the permanent teeth erupts at the age of 6. The first teeth erupting will be the first molar. The first molar erupts behind the second primary molar. This is a picture showing the permanent dentition. Here you can see 32 teeth, 16 teeth in the maxillary arch and 16 in the mandibular arch. And all the teeth by names are marked here. The permanent dentition is also called as succedaneous teeth or adult teeth, and there are 16 teeth in each arch. The dental formula of permanent dentition is I22, C11, PM22 and M33, and there are 16 teeth on each side of the mouth, and it means that there are two incisors in maxilla and two incisors in the mandible, one canine in the maxilla and one canine in the mandible, two premolars in the maxilla and two premolars in the mandible, and three molars in the maxilla and three molars in the mandible. Here you should remember that premolars are present only in the permanent dentition. Now we will see the teeth numbering system. There are three main systems that are used in modern dentistry for numbering the teeth. They are Universal Numbering System, Palmar Notation System and Federation Dentaire International. or the International Numbering System. The most commonly used today is the International Numbering System. We will see each one. Universal Numbering System. Here each tooth is given a number, and number 1 is given to the right side maxillary third molar, and from there 2, 3, 4 like that. The maxillary right central incisor will be 8, maxillary left central incisor will be 9, and 16 will be the maxillary left third molar. And like that for the mandibular arch also, 17 will be mandibular left third molar, and increasingly it will come, and 32 will be mandibular right third molar. And for universal numbering system in the primary dentition, it starts with A and ends with T. A will be the maxillary right second molar, and it will be going till J, which will be the number of maxillary left second molar, and K will be mandibular left second molar, and finally T will be mandibular right second molar. Here again you can see the universal numbering system. Now we will see the Palmar notation. In the Palmar notation, the mouth will be divided into the 4 quadrants. We already said that the mouth is divided into 4 quadrants: the upper right, upper left, and lower right. And here it utilizes the brackets. And inside the bracket, you will write either number or alphabet. The permanent teeth are labeled 1 to 8 on each side of the midline, and deciduous teeth are the same from A to E. So the brackets will be put, and you have to write 1 to 8 or A to E. That will be the Palmar notation. So here you can see the Palmar notation. Now you can see that inside a quadrant, the teeth are numbered 1 to 8 only. Again 1 to 8 in left upper quadrant. Left lower quadrant also 1 to 8. And right lower quadrant also 1 to 8. So here the central incisor will be getting always number 1. Only the brackets will be different. And in the primary dentition also, all the teeth, that's the incisors, will be A and B, canine will be always C, and molars will be D and E. And the shape of the bracket will only be changing in Palmar system. And we will see the International Numbering System, or the FTI. It uses 2 digits for each tooth. The first digit represents the arch and the side, and the second number denotes the teeth, and both will be 1 to 8. In the first digit, the 1 to 4 will be for permanent teeth, and 5 to 8 will be for the primary teeth. The second number, always that it is a teeth number. 1 and 2 will be incisors, 3 will be canine, 4 and 5 will be premolars, and 6, 7, 8 will be molars. And this is a quadrant number. 1 is a maxillary right permanent dentition, and 2 is maxillary left permanent dentition. 3 represents mandibular left permanent dentition, and 4 represents mandibular right permanent dentition. 5 represents maxillary right primary dentition. 6 represents maxillary left primary dentition. 7 represents mandibular left primary dentition, and 8 represents mandibular right primary dentition. This is the first number of FTI. And this is how the second number is decided. The central incisor will be always 1, the lateral incisor will be 2, canine will be 3, first premolar will be 4, second premolar will be 5, first molar will be 6, second molar will be 7, and third molar will be 8. And for the deciduous teeth, the central incisor will be given the number 1, lateral incisor will be given the number 2, canine will be given the number 3, and you see that there are no premolars. The first molar will be 4 and second molar will be 5. And this is the International Numbering System, or FDI. Now there is a square, there is a vertical line and a horizontal line, and you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the quadrants. And here in the deciduous system, you can see that it is 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a quadrant number. So when you are representing one tooth, the quadrant number will come first and the tooth number will come second. So it will be called as 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, and 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 7 1, 7 2, 7 3, 7 4, and 8 1, 8 2, 8 3, 8 4, and so on. And some examples are 1 1 will represent maxillary right central incisor. 2 8 will represent maxillary left third molar. 3 4 will represent mandibular left first premolar. And 4 6 will represent mandibular right first molar. And in deciduous teeth, 5 1 will represent maxillary right central incisor. 6 5 will represent maxillary left second molar. 7 3 will represent mandibular left canine, and 8 4 will represent mandibular right first molar. This is a picture showing all the three systems together in one picture. The first is the outermost, shows the FTI, the second shows the palmar, and the third shows the universal type of numbering system.